browsing around the internet or even your computer, have you ever spotted an image with the perfect color? You know, that one that you just need to use for your brand colors or just for that pop of color within your next presentation. Did you know that there is a quick and easy way to actually grab that color? Let me show you in this video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach, here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life just that little bit easier. So here I am in Google Slides because generally speaking this is where you may want it. This option is available throughout Google. Same command, just thought I'd do it in Slides for a change. So the first thing I need to do is actually prepare everything to find the image with the color. Sadly, the way that this works is it's got to be on the current window. It can't be in another program or just in another window on your computer. It's got to be within Slides. I'm going to insert the image from my computer that I've already chosen. You'll notice that you can search the web. Because Google actually shows you the search results on the screen, you can use that if you know exactly where that image is. My recommendation is download it so that you can then upload it into the right slide. So let me scroll down. I've got a picture of myself with my lovely orangey top. There we go, a little bit big, but that's absolutely fine. I'm not going to have this picture actually on or within my slideshow. I'm just using it to grab the color that I want to use. Now all I need to do is actually use one of the color options. So border color, text color, anything at all. I'm going to insert quickly a shape so you can see how that works, because this is the one that you might be using most. So I'm just going to create it, and you can see I've now got my border color and my fill color. I tend to use the fill color because it's the one that I think of most. It's the one that's easiest to see. As I click on that, you can see that I've got a whole bunch of options, but there under custom I've got the little eyedropper. Pick a custom color. As I click on this, you can see that my mouse cursor is now changed, and as I move around, depending on what I'm hovering over, I actually get the colors that are within that image. So I can choose anything that I want. I actually want the orange, so I just need to hover over any area with the orange in and click. And you can see because I've chosen fill color, it's automatically applied it, and that's great. The really useful bit is if I go back to the fill color, you can see it's added it as a custom color that I can now use throughout my slides. If I select and delete the picture, let's add some text in. So this is a title. So let's select my text. I'm going to go to Format, Text and Color. And you can see that the custom color that I've selected is available to me. So it's available wherever I need. Simply select that and you can see it's now formatted it. So that means that within this particular file, I can use that color anywhere and everywhere that I want to. Of course, I can also grab the code that represents that, but that's going to be covered in a course, details of which are below in the description and pinned in the first comment. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like, and remember to hit that subscribe and the bell to be notified as new videos like this become available to you.